How does one think about what AI going well looks like? Because I think you've scoped out how AI might evolve. We'll have these sort of continual learning agents. AI will be very powerful. Maybe there will be many different AIs. How do you think about lots of continent compute size intelligences going around? How dangerous is that? How do we make that less dangerous? And how do we do that in a way that protects a equilibrium where there might be misaligned AIs out there and bad actors out there?
So one reason why I liked the AI that cares for sentient life, and we can debate on whether it's good or bad, but if the first N of these dramatic systems actually do care for, love humanity or something, care for sentient life, obviously this also needs to be achieved. This needs to be achieved. So if this is achieved by the first N of those systems, then I can see it go well, at least for quite some time. And then there is the question of what happens in the long run.
Yeah.
What happens in the long run? How do you achieve a long-run equilibrium? And I think that there is an answer as well. And I don't like this answer, but it needs to be considered. In the long run, you might say, okay, so if you have a world where powerful AIs exist, in the short run, you could say, okay, you have universal high income. You have universal high income. And we're all doing well. But we know that, what do the Buddhists say? Change is the only constant. And so things change. And there is some kind of government, political structure thing, and it changes. Because these things have a shelf life. Some new government thing comes up and it functions, and then after some time, it stops functioning. That's something that we see happening all the time. And so I think that for the long-run equilibrium, one approach, you could say, okay, so maybe every person will have an AI that will do their bidding. And that's good. And if that could be maintained indefinitely, that's true. But the downside with that is, okay, so then the AI goes and earns money for the person and, advocates for their needs in the political sphere. And maybe then writes a little report saying, okay, here's what I've done, here's the situation. And the person says, great, keep it up. But the person is no longer a participant. And then you can say that's a precarious place to be in. But, so I'm going to preface by saying, I don't like this solution, but it is a solution. And the solution is if people become part AI with some kind of Neuralink plus. Because what will happen as a result is that now the AI understands something and we understand it too. Because now the understanding is transmitted wholesale. So now if the AI is in some situation, now it's like you are involved in that situation yourself fully. And I think this is the answer to the equilibrium.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can watch the full episode here and subscribe for more clips. Thanks.